Good morning all. It is absolutely belting down with rain. It's 6 degrees. It's bloody cold, especially with wind and rain together. It's really cold. So I was gonna do a little trip in the train, but I got soaked just getting into my car. So I'm gonna do a drive to one of my favourite spots. The South Melbourne market. So let's go.
Okay, filming in progress. What's going on? Let's have a look down here.
Winter's morning, guys. So this is an absolute winter's day in Melbourne, and you know, it is bloody cold. I tell you, it's freezing. I'm definitely going to need some comfort food. Yeah, just check it out. We're going to push on down to South Melbourne Market, see what it's like. I might do a walk out on the pier actually. A few shots from out there. I'm down at Black Rock Jetty. A lot of lovers come down here. Not that I'd know. So let's have a look. Let's just go out on the bay, out on the pier, and let's have a look. That's an old World War I ship which was sunk here prior to World War I, I'm not sure. Okay, it's too cold and I'm freezing my you-know-what off at the moment. So let's head on down to South Melbourne, get some comfort food. It's the only thing that makes me happy. Food, bloody seagulls. They're freezing too. Well, I can tell you guys, it's a lot nicer in the car. It's a lot warmer. Oh my god, it's bloody freezing. Oh, whew. Okay, let's keep going down. Here we go. Sunday driver, cut in front. It is actually 10 degrees outside at the moment. I've got my heater on at about 21 degrees. It's cold. I'm stopping along the way and I'm in St Kilda now, and the weather's stopped, the rain stopped, the sun's out a little bit, it's drizzling, but it's not too bad. So let's have a bit of a view from up here. Cold. It's still about 10 degrees, so you know, it's not t-shirt weather. Sun's sort of trying to come out, but it doesn't look like it. So we'll push on and see what it's like further down. Got those South Melbourne Dim Sims on my mind. So let's go. So again, people are looking at me like I'm some sort of crazy. Just walking around in the freaking rain with a camera. Well. Rain stopped. The sun's sort of trying to break through. It's nice and cozy in the car, nice and warm. But yeah, look, I love South Melbourne Market. It's really a fun place to go. A lot of variety down there. So here we go. Okay, so now we've arrived, but it's the eternal struggle of trying to find bloody parking. It's 1 hour parking. Well, I got my brolly. It's bloody raining, and I'm off to the South Melbourne Market. Now I nearly ran a guy over then. I didn't see him. He came out of nowhere on a bloody push bike. So let's check this out. Umbrella invented. I don't know, but it just amazes me how people just walk around with freaking nothing on and get wet. Not me. Well, I'm back at the South Melbourne Market again. The weather's pretty crap today, but well, I said I was coming back because I wanted to try a few more foods, comfort food. So let's go. Here, and I'm basically looking for the Dim Sims. That's what I'm going to eat at the moment. Apparently the Dim Sims are just up here somewhere. Let's see. So I got to get in line. So I've got to stand in line to get my Dim Sims. I'm going to get a couple of Dim Sims and munch on them. Yeah, mate. I can just get a couple of Dim Sims, please. Yes. $5. That was better. Thanks, mate. Got my Dim Sims and I'm gonna hoe into it. Let's see what it tastes like. That's what it looks like. Yum, yum. One of my favourite fruits, fried Dim Sims. Yum. It's freaking huge. I think two are going to fill me up big time. There's a lot of people here today. Very busy. So yeah, all the vendors are doing really well by the looks of things. And look, the sun's out. It's a bonus. The board said $8 for 2 Dim Sims, but the guy actually charged me $5, which is a bigger bonus. I'm really enjoying this, guys. Look at the steam coming out of it. It's really yum. 2 of them, I don't know if I can get through 2. I'm sure I'll try. So, what is this, guys? Is it like a seafood roll or something like that?
Yeah, it's like fish. Couldn't tell you what type of fish it is. And then it's got like lettuce, some like
You've had it
coriander.
before. Yummy?
Yeah, it's good. Okay. And then it's the sauce. It looks like, it doesn't look fancy, but it tastes good.
I guess that's all that matters.
Yeah, exactly. Do you want to try?
Yeah, well, I'm on a bit of a munching fest at the moment. I'm trying the Dim Sims.
Oh, okay, come back around and then have it. Yeah, well, I would recommend probably that one, the bread and fish. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, So I'm about to have some bread and fish. Apparently it's highly recommended. I don't know what cuisine it is. Let's ask the guy. Hey man, which country's cuisine is this?
Turkish.
Turkish, is it?
Middle Eastern.
Oh, okay. Grilling all the bread on the barbecue, and let's see what else he does. This is going to be the perfect meal, guys. It's a really cold, wintry day, so the dim sims are gone. So now onto the fish roll. See what that tastes like. Check this out. The sun's come through. Finally. You've been making them for a while? Yeah.
2 years.
Ah. It looks delicious. So what's the real name for it?
Balik ekmek.
Can you say that again?
Balik ekmek.
Balik ekmek. Ah, okay. Got my garlic ekmek. I think I pronounced that right. It's a Turkish fish with spices and stuff like that, so I'm going to try that and head off home. More food, traditional hot jam donuts, yum. And I'm heading off now. I'm going to eat this in the car on my way home. Yeah. I've got things to do. It's too busy at the moment. Well, the dim sims didn't last long, and I'm about to eat this garlic. I don't know what the fuck it is, but I'm gonna eat it. And I'm just about to jump into my car, and it's just about to start pissing down rain. Well, I just jumped into the car and it is pissing down again. So much for the sun coming out. Now let's see if I can get out of here without murdering someone. You know what? I'm gonna stop somewhere and eat this garlic. I don't know the right name for it. I didn't understand him. He was bloody Indian, and he's trying to pronounce a Turkish name. So yeah, it was a bit funny. But anyway, we'll see how we go. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. It looks quite nice. He cut it in half. Let's see what it tastes like. I'm really intrigued as to the taste of this meal. So I'm going a little bit faster so I can get to a freaking parking spot somewhere where I can stop and eat it. I think I know the perfect spot. I couldn't wait any longer, so I stopped. So that's the meal. That's the thing I mentioned before. So it's basically a bread roll that's got fish, lettuce, onions and so forth inside. So let's have a go. It's got a hint of chili in there too, which adds a little bit of flavour, I think. I'm enjoying this. I'm glad I stopped. Yeah, it's nice. It's refreshing. Spilled a bit of sauce on there. The fish is cooked perfect. I'm glad I bought it. It was $12. Is it worth $12? I reckon $6 will be a fairer price. For $12, I can get two what's the Vietnamese rolls, the bay ends or whatever the freaking hell they're called. I can get, yeah, 3 of them for that price. And that's a substantial meal. But saying that, I guess you're paying for the stall, South Melbourne market, the freaking demographics down there, they're all coffee. Not all, but you know. 2 dim sims, fish roll. I think lunch is covered. So, hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please subscribe. Till next time, ciao.